myself Anna Verma. Today I am going to explain you the chapter number 1, Our Motherland in SST. So, let's go to the things what we are going to study today. Let's see. The chapter name is Our Motherland. So, let's see here. India officially the Republic of India, Bharat Ganraj. And one thing more I want to say you something before this explanation. Wait. Yes, see here one more I want to share with you. Here is one thing that discover I want to ask you something. What is the location of India? These all things we are going to study right now. That how is India divided? What is the location of India? What is the shape and size of our country? What are the national symbols of India? Okay, now let's see. These all are the topics of our class today. Now let's go. Yeah. India officially, the Republic of India, Bharat Ganraj is a country in the South Asia. It is the 7th largest country in the country by geographical area, the people and the most populous democracy in the world. It has ample natural resources. It has great diversity in the physical features like climates, cultures, languages, etc. Unity in diversity is a tradition of the people of India. Now let me say you the explanation of this whole paragraph. Now let's see. Here, India officially known as the Republic of India, Bharat Ganraj. It means that many years ago. Let me give you something that. Wait, let me write a text on this. Now you see here something I have written. Okay. Here is I have written Bharat Ganraj. What is the meaning of Ganraj? Ganraj. In these two parts we had to divide. One Gan and one Raj. Okay. So Gan, what is the meaning of Gan? Gan means publics. Okay. And Raj. What is the meaning of Raj? Public. Okay. Raj, it means we can say country, public country. Okay, now Bharat Ganraj. Another thing we are going to, that is, it is the 7th largest country by the geographical area. 7th largest means, like this chart is given by the some organizations which they are finding that which is the biggest, second biggest, third biggest, fourth biggest. Like this whole are given. In that report is there. But in the India is the 7th largest country. Like this first is Russia, and second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and 7th will be, and 7th what? First will be Russia and 7th I think 7th will be India. Okay, 7th will be India. Now let's see what is the another line that I am going to discuss with you all. Wait. Yes. Now see here. Line is given that it is second most populous country. Second most populous, it means that populous means how much the people are living in that country or any area. It means if sorry, in India if we talk, then what will be the population of India? So the population of India will be 1.37 billion. People are living in the what? People are living in our country, that is India. Okay. Now next is and the most populous democracy in the world. Democracy. In your mind, some questions raises that what will be the answer? answer. What is the meaning of democracy? In your mind, it will think only. So you will mostly think only about it. That what will be the answer? What is the meaning of democracy? So the meaning of democracy is that there is a right to do any protest or anything that the public can do it. Okay, like in many countries there is a rule that they should not do the protest because of the here is the rule that there is a democracy. Lot of democracy is there in India. Like earlier days, when ancient days, when there was a history in history, most of the people have studied only that. There was something what we say, yes, many protests were done in the India in ancient days, right now also, but less it is. Here only farmer protest has been there, so that is only protest that they have the right to do it. So that is only known as democracy, that rule. Now next is diversity in its physical features, climate, cultures, language, etc. Yes. Physical features. Now I want to explain what is physical features. In your mind, again, one question only raises that what is the meaning of physical features? Physical features mean it is a what to say it. Yeah. Physical features. It means, have you ever heard about physical map? Map is coming of physical map of India and many other countries are also there. So in that you can see there is a climate. Okay, some maps are also there in that. Political, and I want to first explain 5 type of map is there. But yes, I have studied only 2 map, that is political and physical. So physical map it is. In physical map you can find climate, cultures and languages you cannot find, but they are physical features. Okay, we are just making the part of the physical features that are cultures and languages. So unity in diversity is the tradition of the people of India. It means in our country, it means India, there are many people of many religions are living in our country. Okay, like Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Hindu, Muslim, Christian, and many other religions are also there. And they are even living very nicely. They are not fighting for each other reasons. Like they are my God, they are my God. In ancient time they were doing, but now less are doing. But yes, they should not do like this. All the gods are one. So that only they are fighting with each other. That is only that. Now they are having a very peaceful day. They are very now peaceful. So that's why unity in diversity, it means they are living very nicely, no fighting and all. So that is only unity in diversity in the tradition of the people of India. There is a rule that they should not follow, they should not just do my God and all. Like ancient time they were doing. Now next is location. Okay friends, location in the question only you have seen here. What is the location of India? The answer can be pick up by this whole paragraph only. Okay, you can take the answer from this whole paragraph. Let me show you. Wait for a second, it's problem to raise. Yes, now see here what is it. India is situated in the central part of Asia. In first line only here it is written is a country in South Asia. Southern Asia and all are the same. South, southern, west, western, east, eastern, north, northern, south, southern. Like this we say. Okay. Now something I want to show you. Here I want to show something. This is north. Okay. Are you understanding this? What I am going to explain you? This is north, this is south, this is east, and this part is west. Have you understood? Now whole country only I am saying that they are west, east, north, south and all. Okay. No. Parts, many parts are there of it. Central, it means in middle. Like Madhya Pradesh is present in the middle of our country. It means that it is in the central part of our country. Central, we say it. This part is known as central. Okay. This is not and all. But sometimes we raise a question when I have also studied first time that north, east, south, west and all. I was get confused. Okay. Maybe you are also getting confused and sometimes. Here it is. Like this in a country part, like this, and cross plus like this, we are making like what we said, I don't know. It is bullet mark. So wait, let me go to the next page first. Yes, here is like this plus multiply we are here making. Okay. So let me show you. Yes, here is north, south, whole direction only I am going to explain you also in this, because many directions are given in this, like northern, southern and north, south. Here is east, here is west. I want to share with you that how much do you think that how much directions are there? The directions are 8. Total directions are 8. Okay. There are 8 directions. But here you can see only 4. What are the reasons? Here see, one plus sign is going to be made here. Like this one line, like this one line. And from here to here again we will raise here to here, raising. Now see here, see. Northeast. This is northeast. Southeast. Southeast. Southwest. Southwest. You can see here also. Here is northwest. Northern west side. Northwest side. Understood? Northeast, northwest, south, southwest, southeast. Understood? So if we will count this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and this part will be 8. So how much is there? 8 total directions are there. Understood? Now let's just plan. So have you understood this one? This logic that directions are 8 on 8, not 4. Due to that they are mixing. Okay, it is mixed up by what we say. Yeah, it is mixed like northeast, northern, southern, eastern, western. It is. Now you see here. I was here, huh? Yes. Now come back here. I was just explaining to you all. Now see, I have explained till this much. Okay. Oh my goodness, I've saved this page also. Yeah, here till I have explained you all. Now bordered by Pakistan to west. I've said west, east, southern. If the question raises that, what is the neighboring country of India? Don't write east, west, north, south. Understood? Like Pakistan in the west, like this don't write. If they are asking it that in which direction does the Pakistan is there from India, so it will be western side. It is not asking that say that what is the direction of the Pakistan to from the India. It is asking the neighboring countries. So you should give the neighboring countries, not the directions. See here. It is written, India is bordered by Pakistan to west. This line don't copy. and if. What is the neighboring countries of India? The neighboring country of India is Pakistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Maldives, Sri Lanka, and etc. And nothing like that. Okay? Have you understood this much? And next is, that is in shape, India is broad in the middle, it narrows down towards the south, forming a triangular peninsula. From this figure only you will understand, from this picture. Wait a second. Yes. See here, I have shown here something for you all. In this picture, you are able to see. See. From here to here, here to here. This much I have explained you already. That was north, east and all. Okay. Right now I am going to explain what? What I am going to explain you. That is. See. Again I am reading the sentence. It's very important to listen. That its shape is India is broader and then it narrows down. So here I am going to show. Listen carefully, it's very important for you. After a question answer will be also there. So it's better to see it. See here, this is the just west to eastern side, it is broad. East to west or west to east, whatever you say. That will be broader side. See here, I am writing here. B-R-O-A-D. Broad. Understood? Now broad you have understood already. In Hindi you say it chaura. That is only broad. It's just very much thick it is. You can say that. Yeah. Long distance it is. Having that is only known as broad, or in Hindi you are saying it chaura. And narrows down like this, forming a triangular peninsula. Here I have shown you now, like this. This is a triangular peninsula. This is opposite triangular. Triangle is like this, but it is opposite. Okay. Just like this it is. Have you seen? Here it is given like this type. So that is only triangular shape. Peninsula. What is the meaning of peninsula? Many of them are thinking that what is peninsula? Peninsula is a part where from three sides the wait, I'm saying you the definition. A piece of land surrounded by water on three sides and connected with land on one side. Understood? Like see here. This is what? This is western side, eastern side, northern side. Three directions are there. Don't count northern, eastern and all. Don't count that. They are not the main. Main are there. Main we should always count. Not each one. That is used for only understanding. If here it is given, then that will be northwest, here is northeast, southern east and southern west. That we will not give. Only we will write there south, southern. This is south part. This is east part. And this will be west part. Understood? Here like this triangular peninsula is forming. So this south, these are three directions. So 1, 2, 3. Three sides are just surrounded by water. What I have said in the that definition, that piece of land surrounded by three sides of water and one side connected with land. This is connected with land. This hole is connected with what? What from it's connected? It is connected just from north. Very good. And from water if I say, then what will be? West, east and south. Have you understood this much? Now another topic I am going to discuss with you. Not another topic, another thing I am going to discuss with you. Now see here. I've said you that it is broad at the middle and now what is the area? Total area if I say then 32.87, not say 87, it's 87 lakh square kilometer. Understood that much? That wait, I'm showing you the map on it's better. Show you all in the map. Now see here. This whole part is just measured. So this whole part is what? 32.87 lakh square kilometer. Here I am writing also 32.87 lakh square kilometer. Understood that much? Now, next if part we go, then it is asking about western and eastern. The just length of western and eastern side here to here. This much. What will be the length? 3214 kilometer. See, yeah, it is written also. Here it is. 3214 kilometer. Have you understood this much? It means here to here. I have shown you here with the help of pencil. Here to here, what is the length? 3214 kilometer. Oh, sorry. No, this was not that one. Sorry. It will be from here to here. So it will be what? 3214 kilometer. Have you understood this much? Now here to here if I talk, then what will be? What will be? From there to there if I talk, then the answer will be what? 2200. This pen has run out of rank. Yes, 2993 kilometer. 2993 kilometer. Here see. This, oh my goodness. From here, this part. Understood? Which is very much thick I am making it. Like this part if I say, then what will be? 2993 kilometer. Wait. Kilometer. Understood? Have you understood or not? Please say. Otherwise I will see you more. Now see here what I am going to explain. Now see here what I am going to explain. I have explained till that much. Now next page if we will go. Page is this. Now the southernmost tip of the mainland of India is the Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari. You know that is the southernmost mainland. I will say mainland, not the land. After that I will explain you after opening this chapter. Okay. See here. Mainland. What is the meaning of mainland? India is a mainland. It has just captured the island. So that is also the part. That is not a mainland of India. Okay. That are the island like Lakshadweep Island and Andaman and Nicobar Island. Understood? Here they are. See. This is known as, this much part only it is known as what? What? This much part is only known as Kanyakumari. Oh no, mainland of India. And the southernmost tip is what? Of the mainland of India. These all are the mainland. And this is, this part, here it is Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari is there. Now let's see. This is the Andaman and Nicobar Island which I have circled with red color. And this is what? Lakshadweep Island. Don't do this. It is this much only, this much part. And this whole part of it. These are not, sorry. These whole part is only Lakshadweep Island. these both are only island. They are not the mainland of India. Okay, so that's why they are not in the category of the mainland. So that's why if I say the last land of the India, not mainland, it's asking India, then what you will write? The answer will be Indira Gandhi Point. Okay. Now next I will say here now it is main Indira Point is the Andaman Nicobar Island. Here also it is written the Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country. Here like this Tropic of Cancer is passing like this. Wait, let me show you more briefly. See, this is a globe. Okay, you can understand with the help of globe also. Now see, in the middle from here, Tropic of Cancer is what? Passing. Tropic of Cancer is passing. Okay. It is just passing from here, Tropic of Cancer, like this, like this, like this. And even goes to what? It goes to India from here line. See, it is showing. From here line is passed, that is only Tropic of Cancer and even equator. Have you understand that much? From here the Tropic of Cancer is always passing. And do you know where the Tropic of Cancer is passing? Now, there is too much hot. That is a fact for you. Now next is main features of India. You know only that 28 states are there in India and 8 union territories. Okay. Next is the land surface of India varies from region to region. It has high mountains, plateaus, hills, extensive plains and desert. The climate and natural vegetation of each physical divisions also differs. I will show you. Differs, okay. But that much only. And after that I will more explain. Now here I am going to explain you something that is main features of India. In 28 states and 8 union territories, all are knowing only. States, there are 28 states which is in Hindi we call it Raj, and 8 union territories are there, and that also you know. Next it will be the land surface of India varies from region to region. It means land surface. Land, it is this much land. This is suppose, oh my god, suppose this is a land like this earth. I am going to, from earth I am going to explain you. See here, see here, it is region to region. Upside layer is covered. See here, this blue, are you seeing this blue one? What these all are? These are the oceans, and this all colored one. What are that? Colored one are the countries. Okay, and that is it. That are land also. So the group of countries is known as continent, and the group of continent is known as planet. So here you can see divisions also differs. Now see here it is there that it is high mountains. It is high mountains, peaks, and plateaus, hills, extensive plains and deserts. Plateaus like this it is upside, and even hills are little bit upside, not point, it is little bit tilted. That is an extensive plains. Extensive plains like this they are plain, very much plain, but not smooth like this, only plain it. And what is it? Desert area you all are knowing, where too much sand is formed, and that is mostly formed in the state of Rajasthan in India. And that's desert is known as Thar Desert. Thar, Thardesert. Thar Desert. Let me write also. Thar Desert. Understood that much. Now let me show you. Here's what I want to explain right now. Oh my goodness. Yes. Now here see. Now it is written here. Now I want to explain you about mountain. Mountain I will leave because of explanation. It's very long. Many times ago, whole continent was big. Okay. There was no any separate continent. Only one big continent was there. There was no separated continent and other countries. Because whole countries was joined. At that time, that continent was known as Pangaea. Pangaea. The continent name was Pangaea. And how did the mountain has formed? So, sometimes other days, there were many times ago, there was very big continent that was known as Pangaea. So, there, when the earthquake always occurred, earthquake, do you know earthquake? That is the movement of the earth crust. Okay, like this earth is there and it is moving. If it will move, then we will fall down, and even many things will fall down and we will die also. And the building is also falling down. Not in the space, in the land only, but it is moving like this. So that is very harmful for us. That is only earthquake. So earthquake I have explained you only. So when the earthquake was always occurring, so many things, many of the other continent and country was just separating because there was crack. There was becoming very big cracks. That's why the continents just broken. And other continents, seven continents are there. So the continent were made, and many countries were also made there. And how does the mountains was formed like Himalaya? Himalaya, there was it is founding on what I say. Yes, it is founding a marine sediment. What is having a marine? That is sea sediments. Sea. Have you ever heard about sea? Sea. It means ocean, like only water bodies, that is very large water bodies, that is only known as sea. So that sea, was just if you see like a paper. Okay, wait. Yes. Wait, I'm just giving you one example. If there is like this paper, if the just pressure will be there, then it will go upward and upward like this. Mountain has only like this formed. Understood? Here mountain has formed like this. It was like this. Water was just going very high. Water was going because there was one river that was passing. That was Tethys Sea. Yes, there was a sea that was known as Tethys Sea. Tethys Sea was its waves were very fast. So from here to here there was just a contraction, and it's just move upward. If downside will be placed, then it will go like this, and if upside it will be placed, then upside it will go. So it has gone upside because upside was the place and downside was nothing. So upside it has gone and made a Himalayas, or you can say it mountain. And next is and this is only the formation of the mountains. Now next is, on the basis of physical features, climates, natural vegetations, and the way of living of the people, India can be divided into 5 physical divisions. There are 5 physical divisions of India. That is the northern mountain, the northern plains, the western desert, the southern plateau, the coastal plains and islands. Okay, let me show you in this map. Yes. So here is the northern mountain and the northern plains. If I say, then here is the northern plains, and the western desert will be here. That is found in what? Rajasthan part. And what is this? The southern plateau. Here are very much plateau region. And from here to here, what is it? It is just coastal areas, and here to here it is coastal areas. Coastal plains and islands. There is a plain also, that is coastal plains, not simple plain. There is a coastal plain and islands. We cannot say it's six because it is just both are combined, and these all are islands. So have you understood that much? Now, next part. Let us go. Let me see. Now see here. We will study about these features in detail in the coming chapters. These all things we will study in the coming chapters, like 2, 3, 4, 5. Many things are there, like 16 also, 18 also, like this. It is given the main features of the 5 of just features. Physical features are given in the other chapters. Now here are some special facts given for you all. That is the meat of moral code and startling fact in text zone. In text assessment. Meet me. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the first Prime Minister of independent India. That is very simple for you. That not in Britishers' time. Britishers' time there were only British for the Prime Minister. First, after freedom, the first Indian Prime Minister was the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and the first woman Prime Minister of India was Indira Gandhi. Do you know who was Indira Gandhi? Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru's daughter was only Indira Gandhi. She was the first woman who became the Prime Minister of India, the independent time. Because in earlier days when there was no freedom, that time the Britishers was only the Prime Ministers and Chief Ministers. And now that is moral code. India is known for its unity despite its rich diversity. Let us preserve the diversity. That I have said only in the location only it was there. No location not, it was in the India fact. Yes. Here it was. See. Here only I am showing you all the things. See here. It is written. This line is only the unity and diversity is the tradition of the people of India. Now see here what is written. Understood that one? Preserve the diversity. Diversity I have explained you. Unity I have explained you. Despite its rich or not. India is a member of various international organizations like the UN. What is from? Sorry. What is the full form of the UN? The full form of UN is United Nations. The NAM, the Commonwealth, etc. India believes in the policy of the world as a family. And what is the full form of NAM? N-A-M. NAM. The full form of NAM is National Alliance Movement. Okay. National. Wait, let me write only. National Alliance Movement. Have you understood about this? Now see here, National Alliance Movement I have written. So you should just make it changes it. Now another thing, it is Commonwealth is a type of a game for in wrestling also Commonwealth is there, and even in other it means other sports also there are Commonwealth. India believes that the policy of India's world is a family. It means that there are many of them, like right now only Ukraine war was there. Ukraine and Russia's war. There were many people who has died in Ukraine and even in Russia. So, but they both were enemies. That's why that happened. But world is a family. India just never fights with others. If they are enemy to us and harming to us, then only it fight and takes. There is a vote. They have become persistent. Okay. World is a family. Now world. What is world? whole the earth's part of whole countries just make a world. World is a family. It means to India that whole the countries and even continent are the family of India. That's why it is written world is a family. Now in text assessment. This is very easy for you all to do. One Indian state that has a Himalayan mountains running through it will be Himachal Pradesh. Here it is written. Another, the Indian state that has the Thar Desert. Thar Desert, I have explained you, it is present here. See. This is the Thar Desert. Okay, you have understood about this much. Now let's go here. Another, so the answer will be Rajasthan. It is present in the Rajasthan. The Indian state through which river Ganga flows. You can write any. I have written Bihar in my state only. I have written Bihar. You can write any other from where you can write Uttar Pradesh and all. Okay. Now next is Next is flag tricolor anthem Jana Gana Mana. You all are singing only Jana Gana Mana. And flag tricolor. Why is the name is given to the flag tricolor? Because it has three colors. Tri means three and colors, three colors. Next is anthem, Jana Gana Mana. You all are knowing in that we eat many sweets and all. And animal, Royal Bengal tiger. Not tiger, it is a Royal Bengal tiger. That is present in Madhya Pradesh. Next, aquatic animals. What is the meaning aquatic animals? Well, first you should know that what is the meaning of aquatic. The substance which is usually lived in the water, that is known as aquatic animals. Aquatic animals that live in water, that is known as aquatic animals. So the aquatic national aquatic animal is dolphin. A national tree is banyan tree. It is very much found in India. And river Ganga, that is very much precious for us. Okay. Now emblem, Sarnath lion capital. Do you know anything about Sarnath? There are four lines. Why? You can see only three lines because the one is backside also. Because it is in circular way. Okay, that's why you cannot see the fourth line. That's the matter. Next is song Vande Mataram. You all sing only. And bird is that is peacock. Very simple it is. Flowers will be lotus. That is in many colors are there in lotus. It is very nice. It is just living in the mixture of water and soil. But then also it is coming very nice and looking very pretty. I like it very much. And next is fruit is mango. That is very tasty. Right now is the summer season only. You all are eating only mangoes. And calendar Saka. Just national calendar is the Saka. Okay. Now let's go. Words to remember. Okay. Now landform, a natural feature of a land surface. Landform, now many landforms are there like plain, plateau. Okay. Now plateau. Land with a large flat top which rises abruptly from the surrounding area. Like this it is there, that is plain. Wait, let me show with the paper, with the help of paper only. Let me show. Yes. This, like this, suppose that this is land. This is plain land, smooth land. And now if I say about plateau, then see. This is plateau, like this it is. And from here it is rises also abruptly. Okay, now see, let me show you. See, like this it is. From here it is plain and from here it is abruptly, that is only plateau. Okay. Now next is peninsula. Large area of land surrounded by water on three sides. This I have explained in peninsula. Triangular peninsula I have explained you. Now mind the fact, these are the basic points which is there in the book. See here. India lies in the southern center part of the Asia continent. India is the seventh largest country area wise and the second most populous country of the world. On the basis of physical features, five major physical feature divisions of India can be recognized, like the northern mountain, the northern plains, the western desert, the peninsular plateau, and the coastal plains and islands. These were the basic points which was there in the book. So now this time's to leave. So now, thank you everyone. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.